Let us see what flags we have available for pending intent to understand how we can effectively use the pending intent in various situations. Now, first of the flags is the flag cancel current. Now, flag cancel current means that in case you have a pending intent object, the system will cancel the existing pending intent object and then create a new object with the fresh data. So flag cancel current refers to cancelling an existing pending intent object and creating an altogether new pending intent object. Now the second flag is the flag no create. Now flag no create, in case there is a pending intent object, the system will use the existing pending intent object. But in case there is no pending intent object currently in picture, system will not create any new object for it and simply return null. So in case of flag no create, there will be no new pending intent object created in case there is no existing pending intent object. And the third is flag update current. Now in case there is an existing, though no existing object, then system will create a new object with the new data. But in case there is already some object existing, then it will update that pending intent object with any updated data which we have updated with the intent. It will update the pending intent with the fresh data. So in case of flag update current, the same existing object will be used but will be refreshed with updated data from the intent object. So this is how we have different flags that we can use, and now we'll see how we can use this in code and see how this works. Now I have a simple program. I have a notification manager. I have an intent. Let us store some value in this. We'll put it as number and say some value, say 50, and then we create a pending intent object on this, create a builder, set the content intent to be this, and then we build and issue a notification. Now what I'll do is I'll change this value to say 500, create a new pending intent, on this same number, same intent, but now we'll use a flag. Let us use flag no create. Then let us put some check to compare these two objects, log some value, to just check in whether they are equal or not equal. And then we'll again issue this notification, but first I'll set the content intent to be the new one. So this is it. Okay, we have an intent, we have a pending intent on that, we have a builder, we issue a notification, then we change the value, create a new pending intent, with pending intent flag new create. Now new create means it will use the existing object which will be there in position, so it will not create any new object, so this value will remain in picture rather than the updated value. So, and lastly we need to check whether they are equal or not equal. Since this will not create a new object, so it will use the same existing object, so this will also come out to be equal. So we'll just see how this works down, and I have cancelled both the pending intents, so as soon as the program goes, the pending intents also get cancelled. Now this intent goes to a class called notif result. Notif result simply prints the value. Let us directly get the value. And a default value, and then we'll show up this value. So notif result will simply print the value that we have sent from the earlier activity. So let us again go through it.